Has a new dermal filler called Juvederm Volux. We've had the opportunity to try it. We have an early release of it. We don't expect it to be ready for use until the fall, but we had a chance to work with a few syringes of the filler and some patients and have been really excited and happy about the results so far. We're pleased to have it because what it's going to allow us to do is be more effective in our treatments of the jawline and the chin. You can think of fillers as having different personalities and characteristics. Each one is suited to a different area of the face or a different technique or to achieving a different result. In the case of treating the jawline and the chin, we really want a stiffer product than we would use, say in the tear trough or in the forehead or the lips, the nasolabial folds, all common areas to treat these days. But having that stiffer product will allow us to use a product that lasts longer and gives us a sharper, more defined jaw.